Yes, Arthur.
Begin, sir.
Speak loudly.
Begin, sir.
Yes, Arthur, please come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sarthak. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
So you are Sarthak Santosh Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sarthak, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you, sir. जल्दी में नहीं बोलना. I'm fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
So Sarthak, which place you belong to?
Sir, I'm from Revgaon, which is a village which is living in the district of Jalna, from Maharashtra.
हाँ. Say simply, sir. I belong to Jalna, Maharashtra. रेवगांव भी नहीं क्या? Sir, I belong to रेवगांव
Yes.
in Jalna district, Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है short में. Yes.
Sir, I'm from Revgaon in Jalna district from Maharashtra.
Okay. So tell me something about your district Jalna.
Sir, Jalna is a oldly princely state of Hyderabad, and he has become the state, and it has become the state district in of Maharashtra from 1981. And sir, he is famous for its steels re-rolling company and hybrid seeds industry. And sir, now it become the commercial center of the Marathwada region. And sir, it is situated on the bank of Kundalika River, sir.
Which river?
Kundalika River, sir.
Kundanika is a tributary of which river?
Sorry.
ऐसे इधर तो कोई बात नहीं कोई. If you don't know answer of any question,
Yes.
simply say sir I don't know this. Smile. ऐसे से इधर उधर नहीं कोई तुमने कोई crime नहीं कर दिया है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
There is nothing wrong in not knowing the answer of any question. Just simply say sorry sir I don't know this. बस.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Sorry, sir, I don't know this.
Yes, okay. So you said it is a commercial center of Maharashtra.
Yes.
What commercial trade it is frequently occur in Jalna?
Sir, in the Jalna there is one Bazar Samiti which is known as Monda, in the nickname of the Monda. And sir, there are all over the talukas of the Jalna. They come there for the sell the products like soybean, mosambi and all, sir.
Which is the famous crop of your region?
Sir, soybean and mosambi, sir.
Soybean and mosambi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Cotton also, sir.
Cotton.
Yes, sir.
Cotton also. Which is the most cotton producing state of India?
Cotton producing. Sir, Gujarat and Maharashtra.
Who is number one?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is today's date?
Sir, today is the 2nd of Jan 2022.
And day?
Day is Sunday, sir.
Sunday.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So, Sarthak, are you enjoying your stay here?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you will get recovered this time?
Yes, sir.
How are you saying this?
Sir, because till now I am doing my very well, sir, and I also perform myself very good, sir.
In which test you performed very well?
Sir, I perform PPDD also and GTO also.
PPD, don't talk about PPDT here. PPDT is just a screening test. Just talk about the other test. Which test is the best test? Which test you consider that you performed well?
Sir, I think I perform my TATs very well, sir, because I will done all the stories in the.
Don't say just stats, sir. My psych test.
Okay.
I would say sir that my psych test was I performed well, sir. I was able to complete my all the stories, sir, and written all the VAT. If you have written
Yes.
then say and completed my 50 SRT या अगर 50
Yes.
जितना भी किया, yes, say it.
Sir, I done all my psych tests, sir. I completed my all the story in given time. I also done, sir, my 55 watts, sir, out of 60, sir, and I also done 50 SRT, sir. So I will done it properly, sir.
Sarthak, have you taken coaching somewhere?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because
Why? No, don't look here and there. To maintain eye contact.
yes, sir. Sir, because there are so many my seniors and my teachers are already going for SSB.
Which seniors? Talk about na which seniors? Where you met them? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my friend also, his name is Sai Poble, and also Vaidik Thirka, sir. He's going for the SSB already. So, sir, I will first meet them and ask
They
them.
are going for SSB.
Yes, sir.
Correct? How they guided you?
Not going, sir. Right now, not going. He has already done SSB.
What is the result?
Sir, one is in running in India and one is screen out.
Just talk about the NDA recommended chap. Now, why are you talking about the other chap whose result you don't know, whose result is not? He just screened out. How can he guide you? Sarthak, you must understand when you are saying something, it should be a solid point.
Yes.
You just mentioned here this friend Sahil. Sir, one of my friends Sahil.
Yes, sir.
He recently got recommended for NDA 148 entry, sir. He guided me. That's enough. Yes, sir.
Sir, one of my friends Sahil Phopale sir, he is recently joining the.
साहिल फोपले सर, उसको सर बोल रहे हो?
नहीं सर, आपको one of my friends Sahil Phopale.
हाँ, साहिल फोपले बोलो. हाँ, ठीक
One
है.
of my friends Sahil Phopale, he recently joined the NDA 148 course sir, so he can done his SSB sir. So I firstly.
He can done his SSB?
उसने अभी SSB done किया.
मुझे पता है ना, ये बोल दो ना, he got recommended. खत्म कहानी बस एक बारी में.
So sir, he guided me very well for my SSB sir.
What he guided you mentioned?
Sir, he firstly told me all the days of the procedure of SSB. Then he also sent me some links on YouTube, which can they guide properly for the GPO task.
Which link he mentioned you?
Sir, there is one academy sir of the Hyderabad Academy, Sure Shot Academy sir. Then the colonel sir, I don't remember the name of the colonel.
Okay.
And he also teach very well the GTO task sir. Also he
Have you been there?
What sir?
Have you been there?
Yes sir. I saw sir all the video.
नहीं, have you been there मतलब वहाँ गए थे तुम?
No sir, no.
You just saw on online.
Yes sir.
Say it this ना, say it. I saw online.
Yes sir.
हर चीज क्लियर, क्रिस्टल क्लियर होनी चाहिए आपकी चीजों में. Haziness must not be there in your interview. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Continue.
Yes sir. I just saw all the video on YouTube sir. He also some give me topics sir for the lecture sir. I also find the information and all sir. And he told me about make your English communication properly. So I will.
Okay. तो ये साहिल फोपले है, बस एक ही यहीं से और.
No sir, my senior is also there sir.
Who senior? कहाँ से मिले तुम्हें ये?
Sir, when I am going for, I am first, sir, my mama is living in Pune. So when first time I am going Pune, my mama is doing MPSC preparation. So there in the lab, they meet me. They also preparing for the India and all. So my mama told them, my Bhajan, that he also want to join India. So they will give me some experience and all told me. So then they.
Mama's friends.
Yes sir.
Who just preparing for NDA.
Yes sir. Preparing and right now he also selected also sir.
When you said this, they got recommended. One of my mama lives in Pune. My uncle lives in Pune.
Yes,
And he is preparing for MPSC examination. And there, sir, I met some group of friends who already got recommended for the SSB.
Yes sir.
वहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को मिला जो SSB के लिए recommend हो चुके हैं. And they guided me also. उन्होंने भी मुझे guide किया. मेरा friend ने तो किया ही, मेरे को जो मेरे uncle side से लोग थे उन्होंने भी guide किया.
Yes sir.
ठीक है? Yes. Say it.
Sir, this is Kiran Patil and Anurag Patil sir. They guided me sir for SSB.
Where you met them?
In Pune sir.
Where in Pune?
Sir, in Varja Malwadi sir. Varja Malwadi.
जगह का नाम नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, कैसे मिले, मतलब कहाँ क्या था?
Sir, they all are my mama's uncle's friends sir. And I met there the group of people who is for joining India.
They are your uncle's friend.
Yes sir.
तो what is your age of uncle?
Sir, मैं.
इधर उधर मत देखो. हाँ, मामा का age क्या है?
Sir, अभी 24 sir.
24.
Yes sir.
And those chap got recommended must be around 18 to 19 years. Because
yes,
they are
yes,
NDA.
sir.
How they are friend of your mama's?
Sir, they are living in the library sir for studying. So they can always go for tree break with each other sir.
तुमने बोली ये बात मेरे को? कहाँ बोली तुमने ये बात ये सब? You are beating around the bush, सार्थक.
Yes.
ठीक है? तुम हवा की बातें कर रहे हो मेरे से.
सर अभी तो ये मैं तो इनको इधर ही मिला था सर कोचिंग में, तो ये नहीं बोल सकते ना उधर की.
क्यों नहीं बोल सकते?
एनडीए के लिए कोचिंग में.
हाँ, और क्या झूठ क्यों बोलना है सार्थक? Why lying? तो इससे तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू खराब जा रहा है. तो मैंने सिंपली बोला था सर आफ्टर माय पासिंग 10th. तुम्हें स्टार्ट ही ऐसा करना चाहिए था सर आफ्टर माय पासिंग. समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
अब वो चीज फिर से बोलो, वो चीज बोलो जो रियलिटी है.
Yes, sir.
रिटर्न का तो कोचिंग लिया, एसएसबी का थोड़ी लिया है.
Yes, sir.
बोलो ना, क्या दिक्कत है?
Sir, when I complete my 10th standard, I'm going to Pune for.
I went to Pune.
I went to Pune for NDA coaching classes. And
NDA written coaching classes.
NDA written coaching classes, sir.
Okay.
And there I joined the Ishutej Academy.
Okay.
And sir, there my seniors also Kiran Patil, Prithviraj Patil, sir. They are now recommended in NDA.
Correct.
So they guided me for the SSB, sir.
बिल्कुल. कितना अच्छा आंसर लगा सुनने में. कोई जो तुम जो पहले आंसर दे रहे थे उसमें झूठ आ रहा था, सारा साफ समझ में. मैं कहता तुम्हें घुमान फिरा नहीं रहा हूँ कुछ क्वेश्चन में.
Yes, sir.
तो मुझे समझ गया. अब तुमने सीधा बोल रहे हो सर मैंने ऐसे ज्वाइन किया और ऐसे मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स थे सीनियर ऑलरेडी रिकमेंड हो गए थे, उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Bas? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So now Sarthak, I would like to know about your education background.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, गर्दन मत हिलाओ, बस सुनो ध्यान से. ठीक है, ज्यादा गर्दन हिलाना अच्छा नहीं माना जाता इंटरव्यू में. Starting from class 10th and 12th, the percentages you got there, and what examinations have you given after passing your class 12th, and what currently are you doing?
Okay, sir.
Also tell me the results of those examinations. After that, tell me about the teachers whom you like,
Yes.
their qualities you like, and the qualities you don't like about them, and the teachers whom you don't like so much.
Yes, sir.
I would also like to know about your one of the good best friends whom you met in your school life or any other place, and the friends whom you don't like want to be say your friends, just not good friends.
Okay.
And also tell me the activities you have participated in your school and college life.
Okay, sir.
School life, obviously, yes.
Sir, talking about my education, sir, I completed my 10th standard from Sainik School, Jalna. And sir, my secure score is 75.20%.
75.20.
75.20%, sir.
Point के बाद अलग बोला जाता है.
Okay, sir. And my subjects are the languages Hindi, Marathi, English, and the history, geography, and the science, sir.
Did I ask the subjects? Then
Yes, sir.
how you know it? The subject I have to tell you. You have to tell the subjects. Then.
Sir, I completed my 10th standard in the year of 2018 and
In the
19.
year of बोलने की जरूरत है, वो year ही होता है in 2019.
Sir, in 2019, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, then I took the admission in my. Sir, then I changed my school and take the admission in
Why you
Chakra.
change your school?
Sir, because of I want.
आराम से आराम से.
Sir, because I want to join the India coaching classes, and my school is regular, sir. So that's why I took admission in the.
But your school was Sainik school, Sarthak. Sainik school are famous for the written classes.
Yes,
May I
sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But sir, according to result of India, my school's result is not good, sir. So that's why I changed my school, sir.
Okay. So when your result was not good for that Sainik school, you know it earlier also.
Yes, sir.
You know it, na? You knew it, yeah, or you came to know about that in a later stage.
Yes, sir. Sir, I know, sir, but
I knew it, sir. I knew जानता था मैं ये बात. हाँ.
I knew it, sir. But the other activities are very good, sir. But sometimes students were not studying well, sir. And there is the routine of the daily is fixed, so the time is not given for.
When you knew it, your main goal was to join NDA. When you knew it that it is not going well for you, why you continued there?
No, sir.